If you give a second grader a cookie, a collaboration between Miss Nipper's seventh graders and Miss Reed's second graders.
If you give Quentin a cookie,
Written by Hailey,
illustrated by Quentin White. If you give Quentin a cookie, he's going to ask for money to buy more. When you give Quentin 3 quarters, he will venture to the store. When Quentin gets to the store, he will see a bag of chips. The chips will cost 2 quarters. Even the cookies will cost 6. Quentin will buy the bag of chips, but he is sad he can't have cookies. Then he'll remember it's almost his birthday, so he can have cookies after all. He'll happily skip home, where he will open up the door and see all of his friends waiting for dozens of cookies to share.
This book was a collaboration between Netzeberg's seventh graders and second graders. About the illustrator.
Quentin White likes to play Minecraft. He likes to go to the Nether. Quentin likes to make bases in Minecraft to hide netherite from his sister.